everybody and welcome to day 12. Today we're going to do upper body and abs workout. So you're going to need a pair of dumbbells and let's go through the proper form. The first exercise is a thruster and we're going to go into the mini squat and then you're going to do cross body shoulder press. Keep your core tight and we're going to do for 10 reps. The second exercise is gonna be push up into the opposite toe touch. So it's a cross body toe touch. And we're gonna also do a little bit of the mobility here. So you're going into the full push up and then you touch your toes. If you cannot touch your toes, you can of course touch your knee or a hip. And if you're a beginner, do the push up from your knees and then go into the plank and go into the down dog position where you can easily touch your feet, knees or hip. We're gonna do 6 reps in total. The exercise number 3 is elevated reptile knee tuck. This one is advanced and challenging. Please be careful and also make sure that the core is super tight, and when you're doing the knee tucks, look over your shoulder. If this is too advanced for you, perform this exercise from the floor as a regular reptile knee tucks, and we're doing 6 reps in total. Alright, hope you're ready for 5-minute upper body and abs fat burn workout. Enjoy!